So, want to service the fuel injectors. This is the colors. This is the part number. Okay, it's also Bosch 0280. Hold on, 0280156139. That's the Bosch part number. I repeat, 0280156139. Alright, so that's the fuel injector for the EW10J4S. So this is what we are using. Abu carburetor cleaner. I prefer the Abu to this other brands in the market. Limited. Okay. You need to backwash it as well. Okay. Okay, so this is how you service the EW engine. No, not do that. No need to affect the rubbers there. So this is how you service all EW engine fuel injectors. Like I said, you have to power it and back flush it first. Then you now do the forward flush. Alright, so then afterwards you mount it back. Okay, so I'll keep you updated. So I'm putting the engine oil now. That's total for 9,000 5W40 B712296. No, I want to change something. This is the certification. So this engine takes 5.5 liters. So of course this one is 5 liters. We have another about a liter or a little bit half a liter. So I can use it to complete it. So I'm going to empty the entire 5 liters in it. Okay, it looks dry enough. I think what will happen is maybe by the time we drop it down, we will now get it since it's still on this one. So it won't be too much. I know it tastes like blood the DC first. No, don't go with it. Let's blood the DC. Let's see. We have to top it up because it's supposed to take more than 1 shot. So that the engine is still 30 so. It's a little bit above my body. When we keep the car on a level ground, then we check it for no full. But for now, it's above minimum level. So the next thing we're going to do is to change the spark plug. So keep you guys updated. So want to open this parcel. So we ordered the new spark plug from UK for this vehicle. The OEM. The one we made there is not OEM. It was, but not OEM. So the owner preferred that we put the OEM. So this came in from UK. So I'm going to open it up now. Okay. Came from Alamas as well. Ship my groceries from Alamas. So this is it. So let's see. Okay. So these are the sparklers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to open it up. Okay. So this is the Bosch part number FQR7ME 024233. No, I prefer this number, the first one, FQR7ME. That's the Bosch part number. I'm trying to remember the Peugeot part number. Trying to remember the Peugeot part number. But if you want to either use Peugeot part number or use this number, FQR7ME. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. This one is already open. Okay. As you can see it here, FQR7ME. So I see Bosch, Super Bosch. So of course it has almost some design with that of EW10J4. So now of course we put EW10J4 on, which is F9 5960. Is it F3 or what? Yeah, it will work, but I don't know whether it will have be as efficient or make the engine to have same amount of power with this. I wouldn't know unless you test, but there could be a reason why this is recommended. The current one there is actually NGK. So which was I'm okay with the performance so far, but of course, let's put this one. So that one, we see how to keep it for the end in case it could be the alternative. Who knows? Let me show you guys this one. So this is the one removed from the engine. This is the NGK. You can see NGK LF R6B. NGK LF R6B. So possible this this is what came with the car from UK. So it's not like it was changed here in Nigeria. So maybe this could be a good alternative for it. Who knows? So we are going to put this one and still keep these ones for the owner. So so in other words, I think this one I've confirmed works. So in case maybe if you don't see this one, maybe you could try this, hopefully. Then we'll see until we mount back the OEM, put the OEM and drive the car. Maybe I might notice a small difference between the two. Who knows? Alright. So I want to check the filler gauge to be sure that it's actually factory spec, the electro gap. I want to use the filler gauge to check the electro gap of the OEM to be sure it has the recommended gap. So this is my filler gauge. So you can see 1 mm, 0.9 mm. So this is the old one. So let's see. So I'll try to put 1 mm. Let's see. No, it doesn't enter, it's too thick. And let's try it 0.9 mm. So you see it enters very well. So means it has a recommended factory electro gap. All of them. See one advantage of getting OEM because OEM will come with the factory gap. If you buy aftermarket, then you will have to gap it to the factory. So let's check the NGK, the one that we remove from the vehicle. Let's see. Okay, this one is even factory. It's actually factory. Anyway, it's been used, so I wouldn't know. It's not really that tight. Let's see. Okay, it's not 1 mm. It's 90, but I noticed 0.9 mm or 0.90 mm. I noticed it has some small clearance, so means even if you have to reuse it, you have to recap it a little, close it a little, so it will be tight on the. It can work, be perfect with 90 size. Okay, so we are going to put this. This one I'm going to put before gush, and keep this one back for the owner. The NGK LF R6B. Okay. Alright.